Hi guys, my name is Manuel Lambrechts. I'm a sales manager for Hikvision Belgium and Luxembourg. I'm here to explain you something about our intelligent portable solutions. Which we have here is our intelligent portable PTZ dome camera. What is very special about it is that it comes already equipped with a 4G, 3G, Wi-Fi, GPS positioning system. And it also offers onboard storage, and that combined with the centralized video management, which makes it a very interesting solution. What distinguishes it from the rest of the cameras is that it comes in an easy and flexible way for installing. What I mean by that is you see on the bottom of the camera we have like 4 magnet mounts, which allows us to position the camera on top of the tripod, but we can also put it on top of a car for using it in mobile surveillance operations. What we also can achieve is that it allows us to capture license plates. It also combines a 30 times optical zoom lens, so we can achieve a larger area that we can cover. Together with all the vehicle characteristics, it allows us to facilitate and research our playback in a very easy and convenient way. By all that, we believe at Hikvision that we have a perfect solution for law enforcement applications.